Hi guys, this is my entry for the NYX Face Awards 2019, so sit back and enjoy yourself. The first thing I'm going to do is prime my face using the NYX Total Control Drop Primer. I'm going to apply this all over my face and neck to get the perfect base. To further minimize the look of my pores, I'm using the NYX Pore Filler Primer. I'm going to warm the product on my fingers and apply it to my T-zone. So here's a little trick that I've learned. To set my eyebrows in place, I'm going to use a regular soap bar. All I did was put some water on it and I'm just going to brush it across my eyebrows using a spoolie. Doesn't that look satisfying? For my base, I used a cream-based product. This isn't completely white, but it had a little yellow tint to it. I'm going to swipe this across my face and use a dense brush to blend it out. To highlight my face and further conceal, I'm using a white concealer and I'm blending that out with a damp sponge. Essentially, I'm going to be using 3 colors in the whole look. That's light blue, dark blue and black. I'm going to start with the lightest color and then move on to black just to make sure it's blended well. Next, I'm going to use a white kohl kajal to sketch out my mobile lid, but I'm going to take it up till my crease and also make it pointed towards the corner. To deepen the look, I'm adding some dark blue cream-based color onto my temples. I will be setting it later with some black eyeshadow. I'm priming my mobile lid using the NYX Pigment Primer. This makes sure that the eyeshadow stays on for a long time and also makes the pigment stand out. To add more definition, I'm outlining my mobile lid with the Vivid Brights liner in the shade Vivid Sapphire. To further add more definition to the look, I'm using the black eyeshadow from the NYX Love Contours All palette. This is hands down the best eyeshadow I've used and it's the only eyeshadow that I've hit pan, so that pretty much explains it. Using an application brush, I'm going to add the black eyeshadow onto the lower lash line, extending it outwards, and I'm also adding it around the mobile lid. It's finally time to get the glitter out. I'm using the NYX Pigment Primer that we used earlier, and this is going to act like a base for the loose pigment glitter that I'm going to use. I quickly did the other side of camera, and to add some texture, I'm using this protective glass bottle mesh. For this, I'm using the white eyeshadow from the NYX Perfect Filter palette. This palette is in the shade Rustic Antique, and I'm applying that with a dry sponge. To set the base, I'm using the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette. The reason I picked this color is because it has the perfect pearl-like radiance to it. Using the NYX That's the Point eyeliner in Hella Fine, I'm drawing a winged liner onto the outer corners of my eye and I'm drawing that along my lower lash line. After applying some false lashes, I'm going to contour my cheekbones and jawline with the same eyeshadows. I first used light blue and then I'm going to deepen it with dark blue and black. For the neck, I'm using the same That's the Point eyeliner. This step doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to be going over with eyeshadow on top of it. I'm using these 3 shades of eyeshadow. The black is from the NYX Love Contours All palette. I am shading it from black to blue. I later went back to the black just to define every scale. You can use a Q-tip or a brush for this. Using the same eyeliner, I'm lining my lips and filling it in with black lipstick. And I'm applying some light blue shimmer onto the center part of my lips. I added these really pretty rhinestones underneath my eyes, and to finish the look, I'm also going to add these silver customized lashes underneath my eyes as well. For my hair, I wanted to keep it simple and fun, so I curled my hair and pinned it back on one side. I then applied some blue glitter hairspray and light blue glitter gel. Using the gel as a base, I applied some NYX Glitter Brilliance onto my hair. To add more texture, I used different sizes of glitter. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it, and if you did, please hit that like button. Thank you so much for watching and let me know what you want to see next. Bye!